So this is just a simple portable fan, USB rechargeable, but I've just dropped it on the floor and broken the blades off. It's quite neat. This fits on here, and just the blades just fold up, and the whole thing just tucks into itself. So it's been quite good. The switch is on the end here, and I say it's been good for a few years, but stupidly, as I say, I just dropped it on the floor and it snapped this off. And this is a rigid molding. It looks like ABS or something. The blades are flexible, probably PVC, but that is just molded. This little spigot is just molded straight onto that hub. So that's where it's broken, and there's no way I'm going to be able to glue that back together, I think. So I thought instead I'll take it apart and see what's inside. Obviously, it's going to be a single cell, I would assume. The spindle comes off. And I guess I could conceivably repair this center hub or make another one, but I don't think it's worth it. So how does this come apart? Okay, there is what looks like a plug in here. So maybe there's a screw underneath that. There we go. So that plug comes out. Little crosshead screw in there. So does this top half lift off now? Yes, it does. Okay. Oops. So that comes off. So that switch on this side is just, it's obviously got some kind of spring in there. It's using the plastic molding to create some springiness. The other side is just a cover. So yeah, this is obviously bending. Okay, so I've broken that. But there's obviously some maybe screws here as well, which must be underneath this green plastic cover. Mini rechargeable folded fan, input 5 volts, 500 milliamps. Main material ABS, yeah, that's what I thought. And PE, so it's polyethylene. So I guess the blades are polyethylene and the case is ABS. Try and get this green off. Okay, so yeah, this is just a sticker, and sure enough, here are the two other screws which I missed. Should have thought of that. Okay. So there we go. It's foam sticky pad. Quite a nice little motor. It's not the cheapest ones you can get. Keeps it very quiet and smooth. Nice little polymer cell, 3.7 volts, 450 milliamp hours. So I might take that out and use that for something else. I can use it for powering an Arduino, for example. And quite a nice little charging circuit. So the switch, the on-off switch, which has two speed settings, by the way, cycles through off, low speed, high speed, and then back off again. So that's obviously this green switch on the outside. just pushes on that nice little tactile switch on the PCB. So there's a charging chip in here somewhere for the lithium cell. So actually, yeah, that is going to be quite useful. So I can use that cell and the charging circuit to power a little Arduino project that I've got in mind. Interesting. So it's quite nicely made. Good value for money, really. I think it was only about 10 quid or something, less than that, I think. So yeah, quite nicely done. Just a shame I dropped it on the floor. Right, thanks for watching.